Welcome parents and kids, welcome to Kids Fun Corner. I hope you all guys are doing well. Today we are going to learn about, as you can see, different types of reptiles animals. So let's start the video. So who are reptiles animals? An animal that crawls or moves on its belly or on small short legs are called reptiles animals. Now we are going to see some examples of reptiles animals. Can you tell me which animal is this? This is crocodile. Crocodile is a reptile animal. Crocodile crawls by small legs and belly. So crocodile is a reptile animal. Now tell me, which animal is this? Yes, this is chameleon. Chameleon moves by his small legs. So, chameleon is a reptile animal. Now tell me, which animal is this? Yes, this is snake. Snake can move by its chest. So, we can also say snake is a reptile animals. Now tell me, which animal is this? This is tortoise. Tortoise can move by its small forelegs. So, we can also say tortoise is a reptiles animals. Now, kids, tell me, which animal is this? Yes, this is lizard. Lizard can move by its small forelegs and by its chest or belly. So, lizard is also a reptile animal. Last but not the least, can you tell me which animal is this? This is alligator. Alligator can move, as you can see, by his small forelegs and sometimes by its chest or belly. Alligator is also a reptile animal. So these are the examples. So kids, now the worksheet time. As you can see, here are some reptiles animals and here are the shadows of the reptiles animals. What you will do now? You will match the reptiles animals with their shadow. So, let's do it. Which animal is this?
Snake.
All these are reptiles animals.
Reptiles.
All these are
Reptiles animal.
very good. Tell me the name of reptiles animal starts with the letter S.
Snake.
Very good. Then write down the spelling here. Parents, if you like my video, then please do like, share and comment. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel for more and more upcoming fun learning videos. So all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.